Dear children, today I am going to teach history lesson first revision the modern period. रिवीजन के रूप में हम ले रहे हैं मॉडर्न पीरियड फिर से पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं लेसन फर्स्ट। आपको सबसे पहले इम्पॉर्टेंट देखें, इनको लिखें और याद करें। रेनेसां New awakening, a movement in the 15th century in Europe that led to renewed activity in various fields of national life. हिंदी में इसे पुनर्जागरण कहते हैं। पुनर्जागरण जब कोई खोया हुआ ज्ञान या सभ्यता जब कोई दब जाती है, नष्ट हो जाती है, वो पुनः जीवित होती है, जागृत होती है, उसे पुनर्जागरण। यहाँ पर वही लिखा हुआ है, न्यू अवेकिंग अ मूवमेंट इन 15th सेंचुरी, 15वीं शताब्दी में जो नए ज्ञान की खोज हुई या नवजागरण हुआ, उसे ही रेनेसां कहा गया। रिफॉर्मेशन मीन सुधार, अ मूवमेंट इन यूरोप टू रिफॉर्म रिलीजियस क्रिश्चियनिटी। हमारे प्राचीन धर्मों में अनेक प्रकार की ऐसी कुरीतियाँ विद्यमान हो गई, ऐसे कुछ स्टेप आ गए या ऐसे कुछ कदम शामिल कर लिए गए जो समाज को भ्रमित करने वाले थे, जो समाज को पतन की ओर ले जाने वाले थे। ऐसे पॉइंटों को हटाने के लिए जो कदम उठाए गए उसे रिफॉर्मेशन कहा गया। यहाँ पर सबसे पहले है द ओनली थिंग दैट इज कांस्टेंट इन दिस वर्ल्ड इज चेंज। कहते हैं कांस्टेंट इन दिस वर्ल्ड इज चेंज, इट इज इंटरनल लॉ ऑफ नेचर। ये प्रकृति का सार्वभौमिक सत्य है कि समय परिवर्तन होता है। इंटरनल लॉ ऑफ नेचर, आंतरिक, ये प्रकृति का आंतरिक नियम है परिवर्तन करना। नथिंग इज स्टैटिक, कोई भी चीज़ निश्चित नहीं है। इन दिस वर्ल्ड वेयर एवरीथिंग इंक्लूडिंग ह्यूमंस is undergoing constant change. There have been revolutionary change in human life, particularly during the last 300 years. These changes are reflected in our everyday life, including our food, clothing, housing, and transport. History is the study of these changes in society. No two periods are alike in history. It is the study of change. The changes that occur over time constitute the essence of history. Periods in history. History is a continuous flow of events that cannot be divided into clear cut off or watertight compartment, but historians have divided it into ancient, medieval and modern periods. इतिहास को ऐसे एक निश्चित रूप में निश्चित बांटा नहीं जा सकता, लेकिन विद्वानों ने इसे 3 कालों में विभक्त किया है, एशियन टाइम, medieval और मॉडर्न। However, the duration of these periods is different in different parts of the world. इनके पीरियड भी निश्चित नहीं है, हर जगह हर अलग अलग रूप में पाए जाते हैं। कहते हैं duration these period is different in different parts of the world. हर हिस्से विश्व के हर हिस्से में अलग अलग पाए जाते हैं। The modern period began in the Europe in 16th century. As a result, the Renaissance and Reformation movement in the 15th century, but in India, the modern period began in the 18th century only. An overview of the modern period: after the death of Aurangzeb, The Mughal Empire disintegrated into a number of autonomous states, and at the same time the British were rising to power. In between, the Maharashtra were trying to emerge as the political head of the Mughal, but they fell a victim to their ambition and were subdued by the British. The 18th century was a period of great political turmoil and economic stagnation in the country. The English and French were arch rivals in trade as well as in politics. The three Carnatic Wars proved decisive in favor of English, who completely routed the French. Between 1557 and 1857, the English stamped their authority over Bengal and Awadh, subjugated the Marathas and the Sikh, and conquered Burma and China. The British rule in India had great social, economic and cultural impact. It led to various social, religious reforms and cultural regeneration. The spread of English education introduced the Indian to Western science, philosophy, literature and thought, and gave rise to the high ideals of the liberty, equality and fraternity in them. The spirit of nationalism pervading the entire world aroused the Indians also. At the same time, exploitation and discrimination created almost dissatisfaction among all the sections of the society. The revolution of 1857 almost shook the foundation of the British Empire in India. The company's rule came to an end and political power was transferred to Crown in 1858. The struggle for the national independence began in 1905. The period between the 1919 and 1934 is known as the Gandhian era. Is era of mass movement. Gandhi ji led the non-violent national movement against the British rule. Some revolutionaries also made significant contribution to the freedom struggle. After independence 1947, Indians began to task of national reconstruction and rebuilding of the national economy. India became a sovereign democratic republic on 26 January 1950. Integration of state into the Indian Union as ensured by Sardar Patel. Recognition of the state was done in various phases to fulfill regional aspirations. Since independence, India has treated on the path of the peace and progress. Today, India is a fast developing country with a sound economy. Now, next day, the changing movement nomenclature of the subcontinent, its region. Next.